Hello, welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. So today we are planning for the month of March, and as usual I'm going to be using my Coffee Monsterz Co kit, and the theme for March is Be Bold. So I'll quickly just show you what we have, but if you haven't seen the full haul and want to see everything in the collection, I'll link that down below. Okay, so I'm going to start as usual by getting my March overview spreads completed. So this is the Hemlock Oak B5 Minimalist Planner, and before every monthly spread there is this little layout that I customise to suit myself.
Like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you.
So I'm just going to finish off putting these little dates at the top and then put in the rest of the plans. I nearly started planning and forgot, but the 8th is International Women's Day, and I put that in with a little event label that's in the TCMC colours, which is basically the colours that match each of the monthly themes. And then I put down a little label and a balloon on the 11th for my brother-in-law's birthday. then on the 15th it is Mother's Day. I need to always remember that because it's not the order it goes in, because I believe it's May or something for Canada. So yeah, I remembered to put that in. That's why I pre-plan. Anyway, and then I put down my niece's birthday on the 18th, as well as Hello Spring on Friday the 20th, and Friday the 20th is also payday. And I used a little label, but I also used a payday wording, script wording from Hubman and Chubgirl. I got those a wee while ago in a small haul and thought they'd be handy. And then I decided here to go and add in some fountain pens, because I have a fountain pen in every spread. It's like an ongoing theme, but realised I don't really have it on the monthly spread. So I decided to go back and add a little fountain pen beside the 2026. And then I just finished off my planning by marking in my older sister's birthday on the 30th.
I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you.